Hello everyone. Today we will be knowing about the project election software. The software is designed using VB.NET as the programming language and SQL as the database. The purpose of this software is to store the votes of the college voting process and calculate the result and display the result of the election. The college can conduct the election process for the selection of the college president and other members for the student council of the college. The students will cast the votes for the candidates who have contested for the college election. The admin of the system is the one who manages the entire software. The admin must make the student registration and must add the candidates for different posts. The admin can also edit and delete the candidate details anytime. The admin can view the results of the candidates. The students are provided by the login ID and the password using which they must log in. The students can view the different candidates who have contested for the different posts for the student council. The students should select each post and cast their vote for the candidates they wish to elect. This system is mainly designed to help the college management to conduct a student voting successfully. Now let us log in as the admin. The admin must enter the username and the password. Once the admin logs in master under candidates, here the admin can add the candidates for the various posts by selecting the post and followed by the candidate name and the class degree of the candidate must be entered. Once all the details are entered, by clicking on register, the candidate will be registered successfully and this can be viewed in the box here. By selecting the record, the details will appear on the text box, and by making changes we can click on update so that the data will be updated to the database. So we can see that the president is updated to secretary here. By selecting the data again, by clicking on delete, the entered data can be deleted. Under registration, here the admin can enter the admins or the students. To add the students, the admin must select the user type as student, then the username and password must be provided for the student. By clicking on add, the student detail will be added successfully. Under result, here the admin can view the result of the candidates, that is the total votes, and in vote plus, by selecting the particular student and adding the vote for the student, and by clicking on save, all these data will be saved to the database. And now if you check on the result, we can see that those particular students have got the votes. And now let us add the one more detail. Let us add the vote for the secretary and click on save. Under result, now we can see that for the candidate post secretary, the candidate Vikram has got the vote. So this is how the admin can add the vote. So now let us log out from the admin and let us log in as the student. The student must enter the username and the password provided by the admin. By clicking on login, the student will be logged into the software, and in the candidate list, the different candidates who have contested for the different post can be viewed by the students. And in voting, they must select the post and then they can view the list of candidates and they must cast their vote for the candidate they wish to elect. By clicking on finish, the voting system for the particular student will be completed. Then by clicking on exit, they will go out of the software.